Hello everybody, this is Alex from soyachinchao.com, and today we're going to unbox something really special, and that's the new OPPO F11 Pro Avengers Limited Edition. Okay, so firstly, the box, it looks very different from the standard model. As you can see here, you have a huge Avengers A logo in front, and this device is released in conjunction with the new Marvel's Avengers Endgame movie. So let's unbox the device. So the first thing you see is this collection certificate. So you have a gold-plated badge over here. Whoa, it's quite heavy actually. You can see behind here, Marvel Avengers Endgame, only in theaters. So this looks like a genuine product, and also you have the symbols for each superhero. This Thor, Captain America, Iron Man, Black Widow, I think, Hulk, and also a Hawkeye. Alright, let's just put this aside, and there it is. The phone itself, the OPPO F11 Pro, Marvel's Avengers Limited Edition. Let me just take out the phone. So anyway, let me just put it aside and let's go through the rest of the contents first. And it also comes with this protective case with a Captain America shield at the back. And this also doubles up as a ring. So you can use this to hold your phone in place in one hand securely. Quite a nice touch. And you have a VOOC charger. So this is a VOOC Flash Charge 3.0, the latest version. And it pushes 20 watts. So it says here 5 volt and 4 amp. So that gives you a faster charge compared to the normal one. And you also have a micro USB cable. I prefer Type-C, but yeah, you have this micro USB cable with green colors at the sides here, so that tells you that this is a VOOC compatible cable, as well as a pair of headphones. And it comes with a 3.5mm jack, so that means that you still can use your old school headphones with this phone. And you also have an envelope with your typical documentation, which nobody reads, to be honest. So let's take a closer look at the device. So the limited edition device comes in this space blue color. It looks pretty good. If you look closely, you can see this like a hexagon pattern that's arranged like a honeycomb. It's pretty nice. And you can see it actually has this gradient effect. So in the center here, you have a lighter shade of blue, and you transition to a darker shade at the sides. And of course, you'll get this red color Avengers A logo, which looks pretty striking. Oh, if you look closely at the top here, you also have another Avengers logo at the top. So this is very different from your typical model. And looking at the sides here, the power button is gets a special treatment as well. So you can see there's a red button here with a slight green color line in the middle. So this is very different from what you get on the standard OPPO F11 Pro. Pretty nice. I kind of like it. And let's switch it on. While we wait for the phone to boot up, let's go through the specs. So in front, it comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display that has no notches or punch holes at the top, so this gives you a more immersive viewing experience. And powering the device is a MediaTek P70 processor with 6 gigs of RAM. And for this limited edition device, you're getting double the storage of the standard model. The standard F11 Pro comes with 64 GB on board, and this one comes with 128 GB. And of course, if you need more, you can always expand it further with a micro SD card. In terms of battery, it comes with a 4000 mAh capacity, and as I said earlier, it charges via micro USB port. You still get the 3.5mm headphone jack as well, so that's pretty good. And for biometric security, it also comes with a rear mounted fingerprint sensor as well. Okay, we got the phone up and running, so you can see here, it also comes preloaded with Avengers wallpaper as well. So this completes the entire Avengers experience inside and out. In terms of cameras, you get a dual camera setup at the back. So you have a 48MP main camera, as well as a secondary 5MP shooter for depth effects. And what makes the F11 Pro special is this, a pop-up selfie camera that has a 12MP sensor. The F11 Pro Avengers Limited Edition is retailing for 1,399 ringgit, and pre-orders are now available until the 3rd of May. And you can get your unit by the 4th of May 2019. If you compare this with the standard version, the standard F11 Pro comes with 64 gigs of storage, while the limited edition comes with 128 gigs. And the price difference is 100 ringgit because the current standard version is going for 1,299 ringgit. Honestly, for 100 ringgit difference, you might as well get the new version because you get double the storage as well as a collector set, which is pretty neat. So that's it. That's a quick unboxing of the OPPO F11 Pro Avengers Limited Edition. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to us on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed when we release a new video. Don't forget to check out our latest video here. And also another video over here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!